Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. We offer the lowest price anywhere online. If you would like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we would greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch from JazzTime.com. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Rolex Daytona Reference 116518LN with a black dial and champagne subdials, yellow gold. I'm going to talk to you guys, also known as the Paul Newman dial. I'm going to talk to you guys about the bezel, the dial, the case, the bracelet, try it on, give you my thoughts, and tell you about some of its cool features. So let's dive right in. Let's talk about the bezel. Well, let's talk about the case instead. The case is 40 millimeter. That means my thumb to my index finger. It's using a oyster case, which is made out of yellow gold. It's a monoblock middle case, which means it's all made out of one piece. If you look at it from the side, you'll know what I'm talking about. The whole case is one piece. It has a screw down case back, which I'm going to show you on the back right there, and a winding crown. That means this spot right here. It actually has also these other subdials or crown pushers on the top and the bottom, which you unscrew to activate the chronograph. And that's how you do it. Now, I'm not going to show you how to use a chronograph in this video because we have other videos that do so. If you'd like to know, just click on our, look through our YouTube channel. This is the reset. Okay, so that's the case. Now, if you look at the case, since it's made of yellow gold, it has a very beautiful hallmarks here at each of these positions. Now, it's really too hard to see it with this video camera. You actually need a loop. It's actually even hard to see it with your eyeballs. You need a loop. I've looped this many times. In fact, I looped it before this video, and it's a very beautiful engraving at each of these four corners, signifying that this is yellow gold. So, you know, if you ever get a chance to buy this watch or own it or take a look at it, you can do that. You can actually also see it in the pictures to your left. If you click on the link in the description below and go to our website where we have many high-definition pictures of this watch. Okay, so those are the engravings on this yellow gold case. All right. Now let's talk about the bezel here. Now the bezel is using a ceramic bezel, and it's a departure from the older version, which I also have here to show you what it used to look like. It still actually looks like this for the two-tone watches, but I'm going to show it to you anyways. I'll take the bezel protector off of that. Okay, now when I hold the two side by side, you can see they went from a gold bezel on the left to the ceramic bezel. Now the benefits of going to a ceramic bezel is that it doesn't scratch. The bezel is a black monoblock Cerachrome bezel in ceramic with engraved tachymetric scale. And well, I think that's really cool. It gives a nice sporty touch to it. I think on the gold piece, it's better to keep it all gold. It keeps the continuity. But on a sporty watch like this, where it has a rubber strap and it has this ceramic bezel right here, I think it helps to keep it not scratching and also keep that sporty look. For me, I really like it. I think it's a really positive side of this, of having this watch. Okay, so I forgot to tell you guys, since we're talking about the case, the thickness of the case. I measured it with my calipers, and it was 12.4 millimeters. By contrast, a Datejust 40 is, or Datejust 41 is 11.8 millimeters. And I think that 0.5 millimeter difference is because this watch has a chronograph function, which leads me to the next topic, which is the movement. Now, you guys can't see the movement. It's obviously housed inside the case here. Inside here, where my finger is pointing, it has a perpetual mechanical chronograph self-winding movement of caliber 4130 with a precision of plus minus 2 seconds a day. The oscillator, which means a little thing that turns like this, also known as a rotor, it's paramagnetic blue parachrome hairspring with a bidirectional self-winding perpetual rotor with a power reserve of 72 hours. Now, this 4130 has been around for a very long time. I want to say like 20 plus years. It works, so there's really no reason for them to change it, and it's very precise. Now let's talk about the bracelet. The bracelet is what is pretty new and interesting about this model. Now its predecessor had a leather bracelet which didn't really catch on that well, which is why they got rid of it, and they got this rubber bracelet. Now you might be asking yourself, why are you spending almost $30,000 to buy a watch with a rubber bracelet? It's not just any rubber bracelet, it's a Rolex rubber bracelet. In fact, they call it the Oyster Flex. And I'll tell you about some features it has. You see these little cushions right here, which my fingers are pointing to? Now this helps the watch sit higher above your wrist so that it doesn't sweat so bad, and it has actually channels to help get rid of any excess fluid or moisture if you see those channels, and it helps it sit above your wrist. So it actually, instead of the whole rubber sitting on your wrist, it's just these parts. This is the contact points. It's actually a really ingenious system by Rolex, and they've gone a step further, and in fact they put flexible metal blades over molded with high performance elastomer. Basically they put steel inside of here to keep it so it has its shape, so otherwise it would be like flopping all over the place, right? And they have these cool cushions that keep it, you know, so it's not hot. Okay, now the clasp, let's talk about the clasp now. The clasp is a folding oyster lock safety. Now what does that mean? It means it closes over once, like such, closes, and that's the second close of it. Okay, now it has a 5mm comfort extension, which means you can extend it right here where I'm pointing to. You can close it like this, or you can extend it for 5 more millimeter, and it actually also has 3 more micro settings. Now I told you I was going to tell you what I thought about it now that I finished all those parts of the watch. Now if I compare it to its you know, cheaper cousin here on the left, which is the Daytona in steel and gold, which also, if you want to buy this one, is also at jazztime.com. Well, I think this gold one, I really like it because it gives it a sporty look. It's obviously all in precious metal, yellow gold, but it has this cool ceramic bezel and rubber. I think Rolex really hit it on the head when it comes to this watch. The only zonk I can kind of think of is I wish that this band was more adjustable so that it could fit like multiple sizes. You actually have to buy the right strap, or if it comes with the wrong strap, you have to go to your authorized dealer and get another one and pay for that. That's kind of a zonk on them. But aside from that, I really like this watch. I think it's very sporty. I think you could wear it in a dress situation or a sports situation and still have a very thin profile, beautiful, sporty looking watch that really turns some heads. So if you like this watch and you want to buy it, go to jazztime.com and buy it. We offer the lowest price anywhere online, so come check us out. If you want, give us a call. We'll help you through the buying process. Thanks.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.